Okay, this is Wetherspoons. Is it recording? Yeah. Oh dear. They do have a car park which says it's for hotel guests only. You've got to get a ticket. There is a disabled bay over there. Unfortunately, it's very narrow, and we did try to come up and park, but obviously with the threat of a ticket. So if you go in the disabled bay, in the access there, there's a lift.
There's a lift in there.
It's very narrow lift.
Would you go in this way? Would you need to go? I don't know where they are.
Yeah,
though.
you come out the other end.
Yeah, but I don't know where they are in there. Shall I go and find out where they are first?
Why, is that a bit different?
Well, you've got steps, haven't you? So that's why you need that if you're going down.
Yeah.
I'll go and see where they are in a minute.
Sorry?
They're down the lower end.
They're down the low end, so we've got to go in the lift.
Oh, shit. That's
Ah.
my foot, thanks.
Sorry,
God.
you're going the wrong way. So we're going in the lift.
I don't know how it works, this one.
Press the button.
Yeah, Jazzy's sat there on her phone by the front.
We could have gone around the front.
Should you just go around the front door?
It's difficult
easier.
because there's a step thing and...
This is fucking awkward because usually got a bloody table right outside it.
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
It's fucking shit.
Also, I've got to go on the angle. Otherwise I'm sure it's on the angle, isn't it?
It comes out that way.
Yeah, no. But in order to do it, you've got to come like that.
Yeah, but you've got to get through there, that's the problem.
Because once you shut that door, I can't reverse.
No.
And there is a table there.
I know there is, because that's what they did last time.
Always.
It's bloody inconvenient.
Bloody pain in the ass.
How does it
isn't
go down? Press and hold button to run.
Yeah, you got to press the button.
It's not doing anything.
Is the door shut?
No. But I can't do anything with it.
It's shut, isn't it?
I can't do anything. Yeah, what happens?
It should.
There's nothing.
Is it broke? I think.
And I can't get out either. We'd like to shut in now.
Ha! We have to press the buzzer. Huh. That's bloody good, isn't it?
Don't fucking work.
Where is that bloke? He was coming over just now.
Yeah, well,
So we're trapped in a lift.
it's fucking shit. Is he coming or not?
Press the button again.
Don't even open. Got emergency stop. Buttons don't work. Oh, fuck that.
Is it open?
Because I use the emergency button, I can't get it to work. I can't get it to go down or anything, so maybe they need that key in a different mode.
Oh yeah, I might do.
Let's go to the front door down. It's fucking shit.
That is shit, isn't it?
I didn't get it to work, I was like, we locked in now, I'm like, get that. So in other words, you had to, so the key switch was on, I think. Fucking useless. Why did he not say? He could have said, oh, I need
Well, he
to
could
turn
have
the
come
button.
over here. He saw me in the lift. He could have come over.
Fucking useless. I mean, Jazzy's sat in there. She's on her own. I don't know who else is in there. I hope somebody else is with her. Oh, of course, that's what you were talking about.
Look.
Yeah. Well, we get in the back there. Jazzy! Well, what, mate? I can't get you in the other way, Andrew.
So I mean, you know, it's like
Well, you have to get off
I knew
of it
that
and
was
I lift
there.
it up. Well, if they,
I knew that was a problem. I knew it was a problem.
Yeah, well, the thing is, we tried to get in the back way. The back way's useless as well. So it's like, Right, we'll just stand there and watch.
Yeah.
Nobody else come? Yeah, because I said to him he needed to come because, and then he said, yeah. Your dad said you were going to go and do some roller coasters.
Yeah, that sounds.
Because we're there the week before, you're going up to Skeggy. Well, he's not, but...
I'm not.
Well,
I got a cat.
you got a
Cat.
cat. Because you have to get rid of your dog.
And we have a mice. So they let us have a cat to get rid of the mice. They were. He's really cute. He's
That's
really,
not it.
yeah, hang on, let me get this test. I find a good
That
one.
was the cat there, wasn't it? Way. And I went to it and I messaged him telling him that it was really busy.
Are you
Not
ordering?
very busy. Yeah,
You're ordering everything? I'm doing it on the app.
Oh, you're going to do it on the app. Do you want me to do you want to do it and I give you the money, or do you want to? What are you having?
I'm not worried. I'm the traditional breakfast and coffee.
Or I'll go up and order. I don't mind.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you order yours then, and I'll go and get. Okay. Yeah. You're going to have something from us?
Yeah.
Oh, it'd be separate one, darling. It'd be a separate. Somewhere, wouldn't there, for that one?
Last time I found it over there in like a sort of thing.
Oh, maybe. Oh, she's gone. She's got it. She's spotted it. She's spotted it. Bless her. You spotted it. Well, you've got Hawkeyes, missus. You've got Hawkeyes. Yeah. So yeah. No. So it got a bit it's got a bit hairy. So, and then a few days later, she messaged me telling me that I'm.
I can't get this to
That I
hold it still enough. You need to hold it still.
Do you want me to start? You know my brother, don't you? Yeah.
It keeps on going like that, and then you have to move it, and it fucking pain in the ass. You've got to get all the lines to go. It's very annoying. There. And you got. Is that it? Done? Not put the details in. No, well, I just type it in the fucking thing. Pain in the ass.
Yeah, so we were, so I was messaging her. There's Des. Hey, how are you? How are you, honey? Nice to see you.
Hey, you too.
Oh, yeah.
Well, some people made it.
Well, Jazzy was here because Nick came in early before he went to Forest School.
It says, I know where Forest School is. It's literally next to our school.
Is it? He said there's two different places.
Like we can see Forest School from my
So he said he'd like to do one later
Oh, it did?
on. Well, Ross said she might pop in.
I looked in the park. I went for my daily walk around the park. There's no one there.
No. Well, the thing is, she's deregistering it. She's where is she?
Have what you fancy.
Yeah. So, which curry do you want to try? The hot one,
Alright.
jalfrezi.
How was Thailand? You just got back, haven't you?
I'll go and
Yeah.
order it.
Do you?
Don't worry about
Hot.
it in a minute. Well,
Hot
be on
nightmare.
17. What drink do you want to have?
Hey?
Hot and a nightmare.
Yeah, I heard you had a
can
few
have
problems.
any
Few problems,
drinks with it. So
Jesus.
you can have a fizzy drink or you can
I've
have
been there once. I've been.
Been to hospital the last 2 days with my foot. Got a bloody
Yeah, I saw the photograph.
Mozzie bite thing.
Cola. I think it's, is
Really?
it Coca-Cola in here or is it
think it was.
Pepsi? I'm not sure which it
I
is.
don't really
I'm sure it was.
taste
It went
I
bad.
saw the
Ice
picture.
in it?
Yeah.
Do you want
Had to
full
go
sugar
back because the
Coke or
bloody
do you
thing
want
came off.
Diet Coke?
Went to Prune.
Yeah.
Do you have sugar with it or not? Sugar in it or not?
They sorted you out though, haven't they? You'll be alright, yeah.
Hopefully.
Shoot,
How
you
long
want
were you there
normal
for?
cake?
I go for a month. I always go for a,
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been there years ago. I went
yeah.
to North and the South, Pattaya and the other one. in the
Yeah,
south,
yeah.
You know, the popular two,
Phuket.
Bangkok.
Yeah.
Yeah, Phuket, yeah.
Surprised they're a bit slow today. We couldn't get in the back there on the lift. Got in the lift, door shut the door. It wouldn't go up, and we couldn't get out the door. And we've had to struggle in the front.
Yeah,
And of course, there's a step out the front.
yeah. They have a ramp they bring out for you, but they don't seem to have any staff on.
I mean, the staff looked me in the eye. I was stuck in that lift.
The staff are pretty hopeless. This girl here.
Well, it looks like it, because I haven't even got my cup yet.
So, yeah.
Still waiting for my cup.
Oh, did you pay for
I ordered on the
it?
app,
Oh, you'll
see?
be lucky. You'll be lucky. Go just up to the bar sometimes.
Yeah, I know, but if you're disabled, you can't really walk up there. It's like, well,
Yeah, I know. I forgot.
and they offer the
Yeah,
service.
I forgot. Yeah,
That's why I make videos about it, because
yeah.
I get sick and tired. So they normally quite quick. They normally give you the cup
Yeah.
to get your coffee. That's me.
There you go.
I ordered the coffee as well, but I've not had the cup.
They will probably come over and give it to you in 2 seconds. All
Right,
right.
okay.
I'll come and get it for them.
Just happening.
17.
What do you want anyway?
White coffee, please. Sugar, whatever. Yeah. Bit of a queue now.
Queue for the coffee. You're waiting.
Bit of a queue now.
There's a queue. Hang on.
That's not too bad. The foods come within.
They're usually quick on the food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's not too bad.
Yeah. That's all right. That's not bad. Little breakfast.
That's the traditional.
Yeah.
So. Now you couldn't make that at home really for that price.
No, I won't bother on the rest of it. 10-minute wait.
Well, not even that.
Yeah, that's about it.
But I'm surprised about the cup, because normally they bring it straight away. Strange. Because I would have got them to fill it up for me as well.
Yeah, yeah. Van, isn't it? Yeah. I'd be happy there.
All right, manage. You need a cut.
About myself.
What do you want?
They had to go and get the cup. Didn't bring, well, there's a queue now.
What do you want? I've got to go and get mine.
Coffee white.
Coffee white.
Hey. Roz said she might come over.
Yeah.
Right. And what, Nick's gone off to his Christian forest camp or something, is he? Yeah.
Do you know if that lift is working now? Because it wasn't earlier when I came
They're
in.
using it in the kitchen, that's why it wasn't working.
But it's working now, is it?
I think they're doing delivery through it.
Because I need to get out. It can't.
That's a lift
We have
out.
trouble to get in the step on the front.
Check, see if they're finished with it. We've got a ramp for the front door.
Well, if you could do that, that would be easier.
Well,
That would be good. Thank you. She didn't really want to help. Didn't really want to help. Okay. Oh, she didn't really want to help. Yeah, that was the Bath Arms Wetherspoon, the back of the lift, disabled lift. Basically, she said that they were using it for deliveries. So,
Nothing, thank you. Standard, all the other groups are off. See you later.
so I'm very intrigued about that because that was like, she said, they're using the lift for deliveries.
Don't forget to give Wetherspoons itself feedback.
Oh yeah, no, I'm making a video about it because I find it very...
You want that sign? You want a picture of that?
staff and disabled access.
Then there's a notice on there. Look, then the notice all users do not enter lift car when red key switch is activated. Then it's for goods only.
Yeah.
So the key switch was activated. That's why it wouldn't work.
That's why it wouldn't work. But they've left it in that mode,
Yeah.
so disabled people can't get in.
Can't access it. No.
And you've got to go on the front. It says on the
she's
sign,
very-
it says for access, please call staff. How do you call staff?
There's no button or anything.
There's no button.
No.
You can't just, oi, missus.
Yeah, can you go and get me someone?
And then she said,
and it's pissing down with rain.
and then she
you're
said,
sat
oh,
there
we've got a ramp. I said, well, can I use it then?
She just
That was weird. I find that very strange.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's Wetherspoons
yeah.
in Warminster, and they will get some feedback.